Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install hardware security keys with Google account detailed guide step by step clearly. To install hardware security keys with your Google account, begin by ensuring your security key meets the requirements. Check that your security key is compatible with Google accounts. For most keys, you will need a USB port, and some may also support NFC or Bluetooth. Insert your security key into the USB port of your device. Log into your Google account using your preferred browser. Navigate to the Security section by selecting Security from the left menu. Locate Two-Step Verification and click on it. If you haven't set up two-step, once enabled, find the option for Add Security Key and click on it. You may be prompted to insert your security key again if you haven't already done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to register your security key. If using a USB key, tap the key if prompted. For NFC-enabled security keys, tap the key against your mobile device when instructed. For Bluetooth keys, follow the pairing instructions provided on screen. After successfully registering, you should see your security key listed in your two-step verification settings. Make sure to keep your security key in a safe place to prevent unauthorized access. You can add additional security keys for backup if you wish. Test your new security key by logging out of your Google account and logging back in. When prompted for a second step, insert or tap your security key as instructed. Your security key should successfully authenticate your login. If you experience any issues, refer to the support documentation for your specific security key model. Enjoy the added security that your hardware key provides to your Google account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.